Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In this tutorial, I will show you some hidden features of iOS 18. So without delay, let's start the video. Features on Power button in Control Center. You might have seen the customizable Control Center in iOS 18. But do you also know there's a power button in the revamped Control Center? Yes. There's the virtual power button in the top right of the control center that offers a quick and easy way to turn off your iPhone. So you no longer have to memorize those weird key combinations to trigger the power slider. These hidden iOS 18 features will also come in handy when your power or volume aren't working properly, which is pretty common when you have installed a hard or bulky case. Features 2. Hide app labels. The new iOS 18 offers a lot of home screen customization options, including the app icon tinting, the ability to place apps anywhere, and more. Also, if you prefer a minimalistic home screen, you can remove the text from your apps. For this, touch and hold an empty area on the home screen. Then tap on Edit in the top left of the screen. Tap Customize. Choose the large tab and the app labels will disappear. It's worth nothing that doing. This will also slightly increase the size of the app icons themselves, which looks pretty neat. Features 3. T9 calling. The latest iOS 18 finally brings the much awaited T9 dialer on iPhones. It lets you type someone's name via the numeric keypad, like an old keypad phones, and your iPhone will show up the matching entries. For instance, if I want to call up Eliza, I will just type 35472. And I will instantly see her contact's details at the top of the keypad. Features 4. Rainbow color option for clock on lock screen. With iOS 17, Apple added an option to customize the font and the color of the time on the lock screen. And in iOS 18, there's a new rainbow color option that added a variegated rainbow shade for the time. Unlike the other color swatches that iOS includes for the lock screen, the multicolor option does not currently apply to widgets and the date, which turn white when the rainbow effect is applied. Long press on your iPhone lock screen after authenticating, tap Customize, tap Lock Screen, tap within the frame around the clock, tap the rainbow swatch in the customization panel, tap the wallpaper, then tap Done in the top right corner. That's all there is to it. Features 5. Rotate Wi-Fi addresses. Here's another lesser known iOS 18 feature Apple silently introduced to offer an extra layer of security. The private Wi-Fi addresses option is now replaced with the rotate Wi-Fi address option to minimize tracking. When you enable this feature, your iPhone will change your Wi-Fi address at random times, so other devices or people who are on the same network can't recognize your device. To enable the rotate Wi-Fi address option, go to Settings. Next, tap on Wi-Fi. Tap on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to and turn the toggle on. If you are a privacy conscious user, you must know this secret iOS 18 settings. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.